Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to backup Windows image by using Hasleo Backup Suite. Okay, now open Hasleo Backup Suite. This is our image browsing. Okay, now this is option. Check first this option: system backup, partition backup, and file backup. Okay, second option is browse image. Okay, fourth option is clone Windows backup and partition backup. Okay, this is our Hasleo tool. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to take backup. Now click on system backup. This is our system backup. Windows partition are selected. Other is local drives. Okay, now click on back. Now click on disk partition backup. Now you see there is an option to select backup. Okay, now click on system backup. After this, now you see here partition is selected. Okay, now browse and select path where you want to save backup image. I am save image in D drive. Okay, now after this, now click on process. Now image is backup started. Wait for 10 to 12 minutes for this. I am fast forward this video for save time. Now you see backup is complete. Click on finish. Close this. Now open this PC. Open the drive. System record. Now you see this is our backup. Click on property. Now check here. My backup image is 10 GB. Okay. Now I am show you how to install Windows by using this image. Another video. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.